After half a year of the DigiCulTS project, I would like to take a quick look back to what we actually have accomplished. And that's why I've created a project portfolio, which is basically a progress diary. And it is promoting transparency of our work in the Erasmus Plus project DigiCulTS. So I'll show you through this portfolio now. It's basically rather simple. I created it with the online app wakelet, and I actually structured it into months. So starting with January, where we had our kickoff meeting, and in February, where we were featuring DigiCulTS on the partner websites, and we also did plenty of other things like the quality management plan, dissemination plan, and so on. We were also featured in the Stadtblatt Saalfelden, and so I also collected all the artifacts here and all the links. In March, we started to getting work done. So we started with output 1 basically, and also I finalized the dissemination action plan, and we started writing blog posts. So, and again, I have given you here some links. In April, we started to getting social, so we opened our Facebook page, and also our website DigiCulTS went online. And so you find here some evidence. I also created a video for my blog post about DigiCulTS, and we also had an online meeting because Corona didn't stop us, and we still worked quite well actually, and also quite efficient. In May we released our first newsletter, and also we had a press release in May. Also, I started the work on the online course with the partners. So we had a kickoff meeting, and this is also a newsletter, as you can see it here. Here is also something about the curriculum criteria that we have defined together. And well, in June we couldn't meet in Athens, but we met over Zoom, and we created also some questions for the quantitative study, and we developed a persona template as a basis for curriculum design. And again, we were featured in a newspaper in the Pinzgauer Nachrichten. And well, also our flyers had been printed and sent out to all partners. And now in July, we're actually quite busy with reporting, and I'll keep you posted on all the news that we will have and project progress about DigiCulTS.